Shut up and sit down.
Yo people, and welcome back to another juice review, and this time we're taking a look at Succulent Ice range iced lemons from Cornish Liquids. Yes, they have sent me an absolute boatloads out, all different ranges that they've got and all different types, so it's going to be a bit of a series going on. So make sure you keep checking them out. I like doing single juice reviews, but I think some of them might be doubled up. So like I said, this time we are looking at their Succulent Ice range, and this is iced lemons, 70-30, childproof cap. All the warnings that should be there are there. Now, if you do take nicotine, take the top off, stick your nick shot in, give it a good old shake, leave it for 24 to 48 hours and you're ready to go. Some people say you can do it after 30 minutes, but I recommend you at least wait 24 hours and let the baby steep. Right, what have we got this on? We have got it on the Arbiter from Oxford, and we're also on the Oxford Velocity, coming out at 75 watts at 0.14 ohms. Let's give it a vape and see what we think. Now, this one was the first one I pulled out of the box, and as soon as I tasted it, loads of memories come flooding back. It reminds me of the ice lollies. Now, not the deer ones. It's more of like the cloudy lemonade ice lollies. You know what you used to get from maybe Iceland? You used to maybe get 10 in a box. And you used to be, the ice lolly used to be able to suck it and you'd get that flavour. It's like a cloudy lemonade, but a freshly made cloudy lemonade. It's got that little tartness at the back. And if you've had these, the lollies, you'll know exactly what they were like. You took them out of a clear packet and you used to be able to either bite them up, just give them a suck. And it's that taste. It is really, really nice. Not chemically. You've got that ice on the back of it. So it's, for me, I can't really chain vape it. You'll end up getting an ice cream headache. But you've got that ice on the back of it. But it just reminds me so much of them lollies that I could just picture doing it as a kid. Open it up and then you'd either have a bite or a suck on it. And it's got that cloudy lemonade with that type of bitterness at the back. But it's not a horrible bitterness because you've still got that sweetness there. But you've got like a tang of bitterness behind the back of it. Like I said, 70-30, plenty of vapor production. This is really, really nice. This could easily be an all-day vape. Like I said, you can't really chain vape it with the ice bit because you'll end up getting a bit of an headache. But that is really nice. Not chemically, nothing like that. Nice and smooth. If this is a start of things to come, and believe me, I've got a lot to get through, then I'm going to be well chuffed. That was really, really nice. Succulent ice range from them, iced lemons. Obviously, I can't leave anything down to the Cornish, any links down to the Cornish Liquids sites or anything like that, because YouTube do not like it. But if you go and check out Facebook, I'm sure you're going to be able to find them. That's it. That's what you're going to think about. Well, this has been another review by Little Bro. If you've liked the review, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And big shout out to the Cornish Liquids for sending them out for review. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Go and hit me up, people. And there's one last thing to say. Keep them juices flowing. Don't forget to check out my latest video. Also, don't forget to check out 3 Men and a Vape Show live at 8 PM every Wednesday. And also, if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, ring that notification bell, and we'll catch you later.